Welcome to a Melak Online tutorial. Before us is this radioactive question in physics, and it says that the half-life of a radioactive element is 3 days. If a sample initially contained X gram of the element, after 12 days it will contain. Alright, so how do we get started? Now here the half-life equals to 3 days. Okay, now but the initial element here is what? So which means by 3 days it will remain x over 2. Right, now this is the initial, which is x. So and the half-life, which means after 3 days this x will be divided, or will break down to half its original gram, which is this. Alright, now the question now is, after 12 days, how many gram will remain? Okay, so now the next 3 days, which was 6 days, will now give us this. That will be x over 4. Now the next 3 days again, which is plus 3, that will be 9 days, will now give us x over what? 8, which means you are actually dividing by 2. So this divided by 2, now it will give us this, which will actually be x over 2 times 1 over 2. The same thing divided by 2, following this procedure, you have this. Okay, for this now, so for the 6 days, now for the 9 days, so now for 12 days, which means this one also will be divided by 2. We now have x over what? 16 gram remaining. Alright, this is the final answer. So after 12 days, x over 16 gram of the initial sample will remain. Thank you and God bless you.